iPhone 11 Pro Max and I have WhatsApp volume issues. Whatever videos I get and voice messages I get on WhatsApp have low volume. So here's how I deal with it. As you can see, I have iPhone 11 Pro Max in my hands. First, go to settings. Now find the WhatsApp icon. Click on it. On the next screen, you will see the microphone icon. Turn it off, then after a few seconds turn it on. Now everything is ready and done. You just need to restart your iPhone. To restart iPhone 11 Pro Max, just press button number 2 and 3 simultaneously. This is Subhan Ahmed. Don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.